Everyone, welcome back to another Double G's Garage adventure. Like I promised everybody, I told you I'd do a quick will it run video on the engine. So this one goes out to my buddy Kyle, who I bought this car, the 59, off of. He put this together. So Kyle, hope you see this. You can see your engine not really run, but try to run. At least we know it runs. So thanks for stopping by. Again, real quick video today. Bring the thunder, as we say. Well, looks like we're gonna recharge a little bit more and come back and try it again, but we did hear it run, so kind of exciting. We know it runs, so stick with us. We'll get my jump box charged back up and give her a try number 2. Well, here we are, day 2, Double G's Garage. Let's see if we can get this engine to run today. Well, there you go, everyone. I'd say that's a successful Will It Run video. I didn't run it too long, but, you know, at least we know it's a good, solid engine. It sounds wonderful, and we're going to start getting things ready to get it back into 59, and then obviously more to come. We still got brakes to do. We still got to check out the transmission, all the cables and lines, and then like I said, we got in a previous video, we got a roof rack getting ready to go on it. We got to clean the interior out. So lots of projects still coming on the 59, but it's good to know that all of our time and expense hadn't been in vain, because the engine's good. So good deal there. Again, thanks for stopping by Double G's Garage, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And if you like it, share this video with some of your VW friends or any of your car friends. And hey, take care. We'll see you next time. So here's a little look at some of the mess we got to clean up here. We got the mice action going on behind the seat there. We need to clean up. Same thing in the back. Lots of meese action going on in here. At least we got a key though. What we got going on back here? Lots of meese.